In this video, I'm going to transform my Philippine lime tree into a bonsai. This tree was air layered and transplanted about 15 days ago. Today, I'll be shaping it into a bonsai and planting it in a concrete pot. 15 days is quite a short time, and the roots are still young, so I handled it carefully. I gently placed the bottom part in the center of the pot and added soil around it to fill about halfway. Then, I slowly removed the poly bag and continued adding soil until it reached the desired level. I made sure not to fill the pot completely, leaving some space at the top to prevent water from overflowing. Bonsai is more than just shaping a tree. It's an art that brings nature into a small space. It helps promote patience, observation, and creativity, and when done correctly, it encourages strong root development and healthy growth in the tree. Let's see how this young Philippine lime adapts to its new bonsai life. This tree was air layered about 50 days ago. But how exactly did I do it? I chose a healthy branch, made a special cut, applied something to encourage root growth, and wrapped it up to let nature do the rest. A few weeks later, roots had formed, and that's when I separated it and planted it on its own. Want to see the full step-by-step process? Check out the air layering video linked in the description below.